Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. Here we have a brand new Audi A3 Sportback Edition 1. The vehicle has the 35 1.5 litre TFSI engine and the S Tronic gearbox and is finished in the stunning Python yellow paint. This vehicle features the honeycomb black grille contrasting with the silver Audi ring badging. We've also got the Matrix LED headlights with LED rear lights, dynamic front and rear indicators and the headlight cleaning system. Here are the 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid design titanium matte grey diamond cut alloy wheels. We've got the S-line badging to the exterior. Here are the gloss black door mirrors as this vehicle features the black styling pack. Privacy glass has been fitted to the rear and the rear side windows. The vehicle also has the sport suspension for a sportier driving style. We've got the cruise control system, the collision avoidance assistant, Audi Presence to the front of the vehicle with the pedestrian and cyclist recognition, and we've also got the lane departure warning system. Here you can see the LED rear lights, the Audi A3, and the 35 TFSI badging. Here is the boot space for the Audi A3 and you can see there is a fantastic amount of space for such a compact car. The second row of seats does also fold down for additional space. This is a 5-door, 5-seater Audi vehicle, and as we move to the driver's seat you'll be able to see the 3-spoke flat-bottomed multifunctional leather steering wheel. Here is the Audi virtual cockpit display which showcases the MMI navigation, telephone connectivity, DAB digital radio, and the car systems and settings and the engine speed. We can move across to the touchscreen MMI display with the parking systems plus with the rear view reversing camera. This screen also showcases the full Audi interface with the MMI navigation. This is a really up-to-date and intelligent sat-nav system. Also on this screen you'll be able to access the Audi smartphone interface with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have car settings such as the Audi Drive Select system. The driver can choose between efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, or they can set their own individual preference. We can also access the DAB digital radio on this screen. And the vehicle is also fitted with the LED interior lighting package, which is multicoloured. This means the driver can fully adjust all of the LED interior lights. You can choose the preset settings or adjust your own individual. We've also got the 2-zone deluxe automatic climate control, meaning the driver and passenger can select their different preferred temperatures. The front 2 seats are heated. Here we have the automatic gear shift lever and the new design for the Audi A3 along with the start-stop button. The front sport seats on this model are finished in the leather and Alcantara mix, and the seats also feature the S-line embossed logo. The seats are fully electrically adjustable and they feature the 4-way electric lumbar support. For more information on this brand new Audi A3 Edition 1, please give us a call here at Stoke Audi on 01782 488 205. Thank you for watching.